everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia, Mesadieu, your guide to the best products and ideas that help you look and feel your best. So today I have a bronze, summer, golden, beautiful makeup look, and I really wanted to play up the eyes, so I put a lot of mascara there, and then also I have a really nice sheen to the lids. This look was only done with 2 eyeshadows, so it's going to be so simple for you to do and create. I wanted a really nice bold lip, a nice red bold lip, something that was very complimentary for deeper skin tones, especially for the summer as our skin tones, you know, changes in the summer. But you can wear it as bright as you want, but I know I wanted something. I mean, I discovered like this little combo and I just said, oh, this is so perfect, and it just complements the deepest of skin tones. Also, if you want a full listing of all the products used in this video, please check down in the description box. They will all be linked there for you for your review. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss out on a video. You will always be in the know of when I post a new video. Join the family and make sure you hit that notification bell so you are always notified every single time that I drop a video. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. The first thing that I'm going to do is start by taking this NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in the color ESB03. I'm just going to pop that on my eyelid, and that's going to maximize the color of the eyeshadow that we're going to use. Alright, the next thing that I'm going to do is take this color by GEEK. This is called Cocoa Bear. Taking my Sigma brush, this is the E40, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that into the outer crease. You can start at the outer crease and then move towards the middle of the crease, towards the inner crease, and then just make windshield wiper movements, just back and forth, back and forth. If you want to put that Aaliyah in your head, that back, forth, and forth. Okay, so taking my E25, this is just going to give me a little bit more detail work, and it's really going to pack that color in the outer V just to define the crease a little bit. Taking this L'Oreal eyeshadow, this is called the Infallible eyeshadow from L'Oreal, and it is the bronzed taupe. The number is 890, and it looks like this. This is perfect for deeper skin tones. I find that this is one of the best colors for deeper skin tones when you just want something that's really neutral but still really beautiful and just packs a really nice sheen onto the eyelid. It has a really seamless look, and it's not too frosty. Now I'm going to go right back into Cocoa Bear and buff out the eyeshadow and give it more of a hazed out look. So just going to haze it out. Going back into Cocoa Bear, I'm just going to deepen out the crease. So I'm going to take my E25 Sigma brush and a little bit more Cocoa Bear and just pack that into the outer corner. Okay, since this is a very bronzy type of summer glow look, I don't want to go too harsh with the eyeliner, and I've been in a really soft eyeliner mood. So what I'm going to do is take this eyeliner pencil. This is by MAC. It's called Smolder. And then I'm just going to pack that, or not pack it, but I'm just going to place it along the outer corner, and then I'm just going to smudge it with a smudging brush. It doesn't have to be a perfect line. because I'm gonna smudge it, but don't try to make it too thick because we don't want it to be super thick either. So just a thin line. Then I'm gonna also go in for a tight line as well. So tight line, the lash line, the upper lash line. And it doesn't hurt, I promise you. And I'm gonna take this Sonia Kashuk brush. It's like an eyeliner brush. And then I'm just going to smudge out that eyeliner. I believe this is an eyeliner brush, but I just use it to smudge it. Alright, for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation. This is the color PN02. Now using the Black Up Base Perfect Mattifying Primer. Just applying this on the face. Okay, I do want a very nice, dewy, golden, bronzy glow. So I'm gonna use the Gleam by Melanie Mills. This is the Body Radiance. Just applying a little bit of that onto my face. And then I'm just gonna place that in like a couple of small areas. And then I'm going to blend it in with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I did a review on this on my channel, so if you guys want to know my thoughts on this, please check out that review. I'll have it linked up here and also down in the description box for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques buffing brush, which is one of my favorite foundation brushes, and I'm just gonna apply that onto my skin. Well, it's already been applied, but I'm just gonna buff that in to the skin. All right, taking a new concealer. This is the Infallible Pro Glow in the color 07 Cream Cafe. Okay, my camera cut off, but I did blend out the concealer, and the concealer did seem to blend very well. It's just a little bit lighter than I would prefer. I wish it just had a little bit more of like a golden undertone. Now I'm going to take SASHA Buttercup to set underneath my eyes. Just setting that with my Real Techniques contour brush, which I like to use as a setting powder. As a setting powder brush. It has multiple purposes in life. Taking the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm just going to fill in my brows. Taking the Loose Finishing Powder by Maybelline Fit Me, I'm just going to use this as a finishing powder for the face, and just going to apply that my face, basically all over, just to give it a nice soft appearance. I'm going to take a little bit of this Terracotta Bronzer by Guerlain, and I'm going to apply that all around the perimeter of my forehead, down the hollow cheeks, down the hollows of my cheekbones. If you don't have the Terracotta Guerlain bronzer, because it's quite pricey, Shea Moisture has the Illuminating Powder Mandalay Dusk. This is like a drugstore. It's a really nice bronzer. This is a nice drugstore bronzer. It's not the equivalent, but it's a really nice drugstore bronzer. So if you don't have this and you want something more affordable, because that works too, right? That works. Try the Shea Moisture Illuminating Powder Mandalay Dusk. I think what I might do today is actually just mix both of them. So taking a little bit of this, of the Guerlain, and a little bit of the Mandalay Dusk. I'm just going to apply that to the perimeter of my forehead, down the hollows of my cheekbones. And I'm using the sculpting brush by Real Techniques. take the Real Techniques contour brush. I have another one, believe it or not, and then I'm just gonna place that on the top, highest point of my cheekbone area. And then I like to take my big ECOTOOLS brush and then just kind of marry the two, the bronzer and the highlighter together, just to give it more of a seamless, effortless look. You don't want any harsh lines, so just kind of marry those two together. All right, for the lips, I'm gonna take this MAC lip pencil. It is Chestnut. And then I'm gonna line my lips. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of this color from NARS. It's the Velvet Matte Lip. Just gonna place that along the outer corner of the bottom. Well, like I'm gonna like apply it to the outer corner and then a little bit in the middle of the lip. Now I'm gonna add MAC's Ruby Woo. Alright, that concludes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Favor, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!